So guys, today I have something new. I just got in my mail, was waiting for it. Now here I am to review it. So let's do it. And what do I have in here? Of course, you have seen it on my display. On the thumbnail, this is Incharge charging cables. As they say, this is Swiss knife of cable. So I bought from the Indiegogo. There's a campaign going on with this company, and they give you a deal. You buy this set, 3 small ones and 2 big ones, which are it's 49 something. I'll put on the screen their the deal going on, and I also will put in the description Indiegogo URL. I don't have any affiliates, so I'm not gonna get paid, or I'm not gonna get any discounts or any percentage out of whatever you purchase. Just in case you guys want to buy it, I'll put a link below just for you guys to go and check. It does say here made in China, and when I was tracking it, it did come from China. So just to be aware, these are Chinese made, but this company, I think it's called, this is a company name, Rolling Square, and they are based in Swiss or somewhere, I'm not sure. So that's the company name, and they do have Indiegogo. You can buy it now, still it's up on Indiegogo, which will be cheaper than if you go to their website. They do even sell on their website. It's a lot expensive on their website. So I will also put their website in the link below, just in case you want to visit their website. I was really skeptical at first to buy, whether they are legit or not, whether to go through Indiegogo, because campaigns, most of the time you lose your money. But I took a risk. I purchased it. It took a while, but finally I got in. So let's go into it and check what do we get. So I'll start opening the small ones. The packaging is not it's a bit crushed, I think, because of it's a long way from China. And I did purchase 3 different colors. This will be, I don't know, the gold one I purchased. It doesn't say colors here. So this is how it looks. That's the first time I'm looking at it. This is Incharge X. That looks like some inaccuracy, or maybe it's just dust or something. The quality doesn't look that bad. I did purchase the older version, Incharge 6, but I didn't like it since it didn't do the fast charging, so I had to return it. So I hope this one does the fast charging. So mainly I purchased this one so I can put it in my kitchen with my car keys. So there's a magnet here which goes and locks. It's not bad. I don't think it can come out of the kitchen. So either you put it through the ring, or just open the ring and just put around the cable. If the ring is smaller, that will be a good idea, so that you will never lose it. And just to secure it, you can put the cap on, just for extra safety measures. so it will never open. I wouldn't mind even walking with it like this, but this is extra protection, plus keeps your ports safe with debris and stuff going in. So just quickly, this is a USB-A, and then it has USB-C inside, and here also you get USB, micro USB, lightning cable, and USB-C. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 in one, which I don't think this is a bad combination, the things it can do. So let's open the next one. I have the blue one, which was the one I was waiting for. This is nicer looking than the gold one. Look at the blue one. Isn't that amazing? I think I like this more. And the cable also is bluish. This is just gray. So let's see the other one. So I have this two. And the black one. So these are the three colors. I still prefer the blue one more than these two, but this is better than the gold one. The colors are same, cable colors are same for these two, only the blue one is quite different. A little bit there's a shade, I don't know, it's me or my eyes, but yeah, this blue one is definitely different. Cable is different, the body is different, and the body is, I think this is metal, all metal, but I don't have my magnets to confirm that. Let me see. Nope. Yeah, for sure the body is metal, because you can see it does stick here. So the body is metal. So those are the three cables, the small one, mini ones, and this is the X Max. That's what it's called, X Max, which are the normal big ones. So in a package that I chose was 2 max ones and 3 the smaller ones. And there's their logo here, rolling square, and the cables are here. And basically it is the same thing. Everything is same, except these are longer cables than those ones. And this I got 2 of them. Both they gave me black. They do give you extra options once you purchase additional perks, which you have to pay extra money to. You get lime color tiny cable, also lime color, this ones, and I think two different colors. I didn't go with that, so for now I won't do anything, any test of these two, because they are similar to this one. The cable and everything is same, except this is longer and this is shorter. So let's see what does this do. Since this will be the one I'll be using the most, I might as well start now. So they say this is a very durable and bend. You can bend it and it will withstand the tension and the bend. So if I get to charge, this is my old phone, which uses a micro USB. So this is lightning and micro USB 2-in-1. So it goes in there. Let me see again. I think that's it. And let me take a power bank and try with the power bank. That's my Anchor power bank. There you go. It is charging. So that is USB-A to USB-C, or if I take USB-C to USB-C and see if that would work. USB-C to micro USB, I mean, yes, that works too. Okay, it's doing even fast charging, because I think the second port is for fast charging, and it is doing fast charging now. So yeah, they say this will take up to 100 watts, which can charge tablets and laptops. So I will test that too, if it can charge my MacBook Air. So let's see what else. Maybe you want to charge your, you can charge phone to phone, USB, I mean power bank to phone, computer, laptop to phone, or phone to your headphones. So you can do variety of uses using this one cable. So let's try to charge Apple iPad. So let's see. The iPad uses this cable, which is lightning cable. There. So start with USB-A. Yes, it is charging. Let's try USB-C. Yes, it is charging. Now, let's say you want to charge your headphones. This uses USB-C. So I already connected USB-C here. There is the USB-C. The other side, put USB-C, and there it's charging. You can see the red light there. Now I'm connecting it. There it starts. So that charges that one. Maybe you have another. I have Bose here, which uses micro USB. So again, put this one back. There's a lightning and micro USB 2-in-1. So let's try that one. And yep, it is charging. You can see there the light is on. If I take it out, it's off. Put it back in, it's charging. The only thing, it doesn't feel like it's going all the way. That's scary. I feel it is kinda not going all the way in, but maybe that's how it goes to this kind of ports. So micro USB doesn't go all the way in. Like I feel there is a gap here while it is already charging, but you can see it doesn't go all the way in. Let me show you a closer look. That's it. So I have a little bit of gap here. If I use same cable with the Apple, you can see it is going quite deep. No, even with Apple doesn't go that deep. So I think that's the design, how they designed it. the main part is it does work. That is the only thing I'm more concerned. It does work, so I will leave it like that. And just one more thing, maybe you have another type of headphones. This is USB micro USB 2, so I will use USB A to micro USB and see how it works here. Let me put where the lights will appear. I think there's a light here. Let me see. Yeah, there it charges. Again. There. There. So it does work. So that is small devices. Now let's do the main device, which will be your laptop. What if you want to charge your laptop? So we will see if it has a capacity like they are describing it as a 100 watts capacity. Let's see, it does have that much capacity. So let me zoom out a little bit. And let's see. Since it's tiny, so USB-C. So I have connected here USB-A, and I'll connect USB-C here and see if that will work. This is so hard. Okay. Yes, it did. It is charging. You can see here. And I will disconnect it just to show you. It's disconnected. Now I'm connecting USB-C again, and there it is charging. So yes, this works. Since I'm trying to put all in the screen, it's a bit harder, but it is quite easy to use it. If you have, I have my tripod here and everything, so it's congested. It's hard for me to show you, but it is really easy. So apart from that, this is like my favorite items to put with, to walk with me, as it is small and pocketable cable, and it's all in one. So this will be an amazing addition to your EDC items. You should have a cable, because we are living in a technology world. You cannot work without any technology like phone, headphones, your camera, your watch, and everything else uses batteries and they need charging. And this is all in one charging, which you can charge your laptop, basically you can charge everything you have, excluding the proprietary chargers. Like Samsung Watch has proprietary charger, you need those things. But having power sharing, you can charge your watch and you can charge your buds using your phone. So with that, with this cable, you can even charge your watch and everything else, because you'll be charging your phone. So you just need your power source, which should be either power bank or the adapter, wall adapter, and this cable will do the rest. So for me, this will be always in my pocket, and it can do several things as an EDC item. And yes, I will include this in my EDC definitely, and I will recommend anybody that is into EDC items, this is must to have. It is not bad to have something like this in your EDC item. That's all for today. Take care, guys. Hopefully you had fun and you will get something out of this review. Whether you'll decide to go with this or not, I leave it on you. Thank you as always. Keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.